Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet is required in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, just need to go to search menu and type internet options. Click on open it. Go to connections tab and select the LAN settings and check mark this automatically detect settings. And if you checked use your proxy server for your LAN, uncheck it and set to OK and select a plain OK. And now just check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task and select web connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select this obtain DNS server address automatically for these both options and select OK. And now just scroll down and uncheck this internet protocol version 6 and select close it off here. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Select the reset now option and select yes and reset your networks. After resetting it, just go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.